Good evening! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Ngayon, maghanda na naman tayo ng ating happy, healthy eats tonight. At magawa tayo ng grilled shrimp with aioli sauce. Let's cook! Well, most of the time we have problem with grilling shrimp is because it gets too dry. But to avoid that, we'll skew first tail to the head. So that's really the one that lock up our skewer here. And then get the next one like that and get the tail locked up in there. Ano natin para walang space yan, para sirado siya. Tingnan nyo, sirado yan, walang nakakaano dyan sa space between yung shrimp mo. Tapos ganun, same way, every single one, same way. Parang talagang sikitan sila dyan. There. Ano mo lang dyan. Ini-season na natin ito, kaya talagang i-generously wrap mo yung olive oil. Okay, let's put it on the grill. Lalagay na natin sa grill. Ayan. We'll make our aioli sauce, which is actually parang garlic mayonnaise. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. At sa inyong palaging nanonood sa aking mga video, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta at sa inyong mga magandang comments sa aking video. See you in my next video.